Hey everyone, welcome back to Southri's Kitchen. Today I have something very special for you, homemade ghee from milk skim. Making ghee at home gives you pure aromatic ghee. This method is something I learned from my grandmother and it's a great way to get the best quality ghee without any preservatives. So let's get started. Here I have collected enough malai over the past week to make ghee. Now we need to churn the cream to separate the butter from the buttermilk. You can use a traditional wooden churner, a hand whisk or even an electric mixer for this. Whisk the cream continuously for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the butter starts separating from the buttermilk by adding little water and ice cubes. You will see the butter forming into a thick mass. Buttermilk will separate out. Repeat the same process with the remaining malai. Once the butter has separated, we will strain it out by using fingers. Now it's important to wash the butter to remove any remaining buttermilk. This step ensures that the ghee will have a longer shelf life, a pure, clean flavor. Rinse the butter under cold water and ice cubes. Now remove the butter from the remaining buttermilk. To make the ghee, we will melt the butter in a heavy bottomed pan on medium heat. As the butter melts, it will start to bubble and foam. Keep stirring occasionally to ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom. After 20 to 25 minutes, you will notice the bubbles becoming smaller and the foam beginning to clear up. At this stage, you will see the milk solids settling at the bottom and the liquid turning a golden color. This is clarified butter or ghee. Cook the ghee until it has a rich golden color and a nutty aroma. Once the ghee is ready, turn off the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Now strain the ghee into a clean dry jar using a fine strainer to remove the milk solids. And there you have it, pure aromatic homemade ghee from milk skim. Try this method of making ghee at home and let me know in comments how it turned out for you. See you this Wednesday with another delicious recipe. Thank you.